Alright, welcome back. Nice to see you. Hope you've been enjoying, or at least having a good look at what we're doing with the steel. 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and as I said on the last video, I should have it up about 9, and yeah, it's up. It's already got that post welded off over there, that blue one. These ones come out, they're gone. That blue post stays, that post there stays, that blue post and the one on the end stays. That's a 9-metre span with nothing in the middle. This one here is 10 metres. That's the one we did day before yesterday. So yeah, that one's up there. We've got our duct lifter, the duct lifter over there. That's the duct lifter right there. That's for lifting up the beams. And we'll start putting these 300s up next. Let's walk around here. This 300's almost done. I'm just going to cut the ends. But yeah, that one's in there. You can see we've got a good penetration there by the way that weld has bubbled the paint. I mean, Frank's getting some good heat into that steel. Now he's got to weld that one on that end, then come back and do this blue one. And then I can start bolting it off as I push the bearers up to go put the bearers where they're supposed to live. I can't bolt this off here yet because that steel's going to sag down. I'm imagining about 30 plus mil by the time we put the 300 C channels on it. And yeah, then I'll have to worry about what's straight and what's not then. But my first effort is this steel here. I think I'll put this one up because that one doesn't have any sag in it. That'll hold that end, hold up there, and because it's only a metre away from that end, so it shouldn't sag too much at all. I'll probably put about 5 mil in the 300, lift it up 5 mil to allow for the sag as it comes through, because it's definitely going to sag through here. And by holding that down, that's now got pressure on. So that one's already was pushing up. We had to put a packer in on that because this end here was already sagging down. So well, we've welded that, we've pushed it down, it's being welded off. This one here is pushed up, so it's a fraction high. That puts a bit of pressure there, which then acts like a bridge across here. So we see how it goes. And we'll play with that as we go. But right now we're going to go, and I'm going to play silly buggers with this 300 C channel that's going to go here. All right, guys, we'll catch you again soon. Thanks for viewing. See you soon. Bye.